In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your TripAdvisor account. First, head to www.tripadvisor.com and sign in to your account. Use a trusted browser and double-check you're on the official site. Once you're in, look at the top right corner and click your profile photo. From the menu, choose Account Info or Profile Settings. TripAdvisor sometimes labels it a bit differently, but both take you to your account details. Inside, locate the email address section. This area shows whether your email is verified. If it already shows verified, you're done. Your account is ready to post reviews, save trips, and use all the features. If it indicates that verification is pending, or you see a button to resend the verification, go ahead and resend. Now open the email inbox associated with that account. Look for a message from TripAdvisor with a verification link. If you don't see it within a couple of minutes, check your spam or junk folder and your promotions or updates tabs. When the email arrives, open it and click the verification link. That click confirms you own the email address on your account. Without completing this step, TripAdvisor may limit what you can do. Things like posting reviews or fully using the account can be restricted. Most traveler accounts don't require any extra manual verification beyond this email confirmation. There's no separate approval process. It's simply about proving that the email on the account is yours. If the link appears to have expired, or it takes you to a page that says the token is invalid, go back to your account settings and choose Resend Verification. Then use the newest email. Make sure you're clicking directly from the latest message and not from a forwarded email. If you still can't find the message, confirm you're checking the correct email address shown in your TripAdvisor settings and try sending the verification again. Once you've clicked the link and see a confirmation on the site, return to your profile settings and verify that the email address section now shows verified. At that point, you're all set. That's the entire process. Sign in, navigate to your profile settings, resend if needed, then verify through the email in your inbox. Taking a minute to complete this ensures a smoother experience when you plan trips, write reviews, and engage with the community.